Hey, man, we got a EZGO here. I'm going to show you this, man. It's an EZGO, and we're putting side steps on it. I think it's one of the best accessories they have. Older you get, you don't want to step up as much. My wife's short. She loves it. If you look at these side steps here, they're useless, man. They're only for looks. If you go with something like this here, which is actually a side step, all right, not no for looks, polished aluminum that scratches. This is actually a side step that actually able to work and handle your weight. All right, I'm gonna show you how to put them on, man. They're simple, easy, cheap to buy. I think one of the best products they make for a golf cart accessory. Now, a lot of people want the chrome look and they want the aluminum look. Yeah, it does look good, but over time they scratch. And then if you go to step on them, they definitely ain't gonna handle your weight. All right. What's going to happen is you can go to put them on, you can go to step on them, and then you're going to pull the bolts that's in them, or you're going to pull it because it's self-tapered through them. They're mainly for looks. These are actually for you to step on. No, this is not a paid sponsor. I just tell y'all what I think is good for everybody. And I'm going to show you who makes these. And like I said, not a paid sponsor. I don't make no money if you buy them. All right. You can see here. Steel and golf cart accessory. Steel and golf cart accessory for Yamaha, EZGO, Club Car, whatever you want. And it's real simple to bolt up, man. You can bolt it up within 10 minutes. You can take the weight off of it. All right. You have that up there. And then you can adjust where you put the steps at. You can actually adjust them as how far you want to step in or out from the car. We got this here. Looks like a 3/4. I'm gonna tighten this back bolt up. It's a 17 millimeter. This is a 3/4. I'm gonna tighten these up here. Let me grab a 3/4 wrench or a socket. All right, let me do this here. Take this here, tighten her up 3/4. Oh, it's eventually gonna leave you stranded. Yeah. I'm gonna take this here 3/4. Just take them and just jam them down, make sure they work. And then I'm gonna take this here. I'm gonna put your pieces on here. You got a bag of black bolts and a bag of white bolts. Huh? Damn. All right, you got your silver bolts here. Put your silver bolt. I'm gonna put the bolt from the outside in. You're gonna put it where the slots is going up on the top like this. And what, Jerry? All right, so I'm gonna put them here on. The only thing bad about that, though, son, eventually, if it breaks loose, your tire's gonna lay sideways. All right, so I'm gonna take this here, put my black bolts in the bottom here. I'm gonna take it, put the bracket for the bar on the outside. Then over here, same way. The bolt, you put the bolt from the outside to the inside. You put your other one in here. And all these are 13 millimeters. And now that's what it look like that. Alright, you can see the bracket go like that. This way it goes on the outside of the bar. This way it goes on this side, the outside of the bar. That's what I'm doing now. These are 13 millimeters. So I'm gonna tighten this up first. Now I'm gonna pull this all the way toward the front. And tighten her up. Same thing on this side. Pull it all the way to the front. Tighten it down. Now if you look at the bar, it looks about straight there. Looks about straight. So I'm gonna take it, tighten her up, see how she looks. Now I'm going to show you this now. Watch this here. Watch when I stand on it what happens. Alright, see it's solid. Now it adjusted there, now it's flat. Alright, how it should be. At the same time, watch this here, how much this flexes. See that? See how much that flexes there? Look at that. That's why I say don't buy that kind. Go with this kind right here, man. I'm gonna step back and make sure it's straight. Looks perfect. Alright, so that looks good, man. You can see it's straight, level. Alright, y'all stay tuned, man. I'll post some more, man. Always remember one thing. Hey, hey, hey.